Hey everyone, today let's dive into the fascinating world of the sunfish, or as it's scientifically known, the Mola Mola. This incredible creature is the heaviest bony fish in the ocean, weighing up to 2,200 pounds. But what makes the sunfish truly unique is its unusual shape. It looks like a giant round disc floating in the water. Unlike most fish, sunfish swim on their sides, often seen basking at the surface of the ocean. They can be as long as 10 feet, and their large flat bodies help them glide effortlessly through the water. Sunfish primarily feed on jellyfish, but they can also eat small fish and plankton. These gentle giants are fascinating to observe, but they face threats from fishing nets and plastic pollution. By learning about sunfish, we can appreciate the diversity of marine life and the importance of ocean conservation. So, next time you're at the beach, keep an eye out for these unique creatures. Let's protect our oceans together. Thanks for watching.